This is unboxing of the Nifty BuzzFeed journal and Adulting 101. I will do the journal first. First time opening and first impressions. Okay, it came in a regular UPS box. I did order both journals. There's a parenting journal too. So there's 3 Nifty journals from BuzzFeed. So here's the organizing journal, and then got the Adulting 101. The Adulting 101 I'll do on another video. But here's this pretty thick book. Looks like it's about 144 pages. And it's all about organizing your life, health, thoughts, priorities. Looks like it's an overall get yourself together kind of thing. Looks like it's pastel colors. Again, I'm not sure if I should show you every page. I'm not affiliated with BuzzFeed. I don't want to step on their toes. But looks like just a way to organize everything. There's, I guess, an adult coloring book inside. Eating habits. You could probably, you know, make an experiment of some of these. These are neat templates. You could, you know, maybe if you wanted to, like that eating habit, you could, you know, make copies and keep that for several days. Oh, excuse me, my cat's gonna know that I don't have attention on her. Sorry about the shadows, but anyway, it's just, I was curious about these. It looks like it's just some really good ideas about it. You know, if you filled out all this, as I said about the adulting, you would probably get it together a lot more than if you didn't. So it looks like it talks about your health and your finances, career goals. So just kind of an overall, multifaceted, get your stuff together, get your career goals together, get your cleaning together, you know, just get it together. So I was curious, I ordered them, and if I fill these out, I will post an update. Digital organization too. So thanks for watching.